Okay, we will swiftly move on to this next part of the evening. And to keep this evening up lit and ahead, we have a lovely surprise act for you guys. And the surprise act is something around... Ladies and gentlemen, our bride of the night.
चलना सिखाया था ना, दहलीज ऊंची है ये पार करा दे। बाबा मैं तेरी मलका, टुकड़ा हो तेरे दिल का, एक बार फिर से दहलीज पार करा दे। मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो, मुड़ के ना देखो दिलबरो।
This one is for all the family members up here of our beautiful bride. And friends as well. Family and friends. We go for you.
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला। आबोदाना मेरा हाथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला। तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल, तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल। मुश्किल सही आसान हुई मंजिल, क्योंकि तू धड़कन।
People make some noise. We need a hug, we need a hug. Come on, come on, come on. Ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful family and friends of our bride-to-be. What a wonderful act by our bride-to-be. Let's give a round of applause for Richa, everyone. Yes? Amazing and amazing. And trust me, when I was just standing back there, it really looked that it came out from your heart. And how you sang each lyrics and it mean something. And just like that, the next performance is definitely gonna mean something even more to you. Because just like your surprise, we have someone filled with another surprise. If I can have the guitar being brought, please. Because on the guitar, with his vocals, ladies and gentlemen, you have guessed it right, is our groom-to-be. Make some noise for our next performance, Mr. Alan!
So hello guys, I would like to dedicate this song to my lovely soon to be my wife. This is a very special song for us, and this is the song that we always hum, and this is the song that we connect to always. This is our go-to song basically, so I would like to dedicate it to her. I love you. मेरे हो तो मैं कुछ नहीं बनूं से, और तुम कोई नहीं तो मैं जीना
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it out once again for our groom, Mr. Alan! How sweet, brother. You have one more try, go ahead. You wanna dedicate one more? See, people, you all want one more, anyone in the house? Yes? See, it's on demand, I'll leave it to you, You make a choice. One more. Hey, we're getting one more. Hey, you'll want aisa farmaish 10 rupees per song, huh? If you want one song aisa. Yeah.
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead.
You should be dancing.
I found a girl,
Dancing to the song.
beautiful and sweet. I never knew there were that someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just hold my hand. With my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your arms. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark. You between my arms. Barefoot on the grass. Listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I drove darling, you look perfect tonight.
Let's give it up, ladies and gentlemen, once again for our crew, Mr. Alan, everybody! How sweet. If I could also have Richa join us, no? But we can just take this one. Richa, if I could have you also join us, please, yes? Ladies and gentlemen, our bridal couple has been so lovely here. They have done some amazing performances. It is our time to do a little masti now with them. So we're gonna play a game, okay? The game is pretty simple. All you need to do is keep your eyes focused up here, okay? And we're gonna play a game called Dumb Charades, okay? We have this game called Dumb Charades. Now how this game goes by, I'll tell you all, very simple. I have few words in my hand. I will show it to the crowd, okay? Don't worry, it's all blank, I'm showing now. Okay, I'll be showing this blank word. I'll be showing some words to the crowd. Crowd, my lovely audiences, you all have to try and enact. Okay, you'll have to try and enact and show what word the couple who guesses it right, okay? Either Alan or Richa, whoever guesses it right. The one who guesses the most right will be the winner. The one who loses will definitely get a forfeit to be done, okay? So the one who loses will get some forfeit to be done. So where are all the friends and where are all the active family members who are going to enact this? You all can come a little front, okay? Make sure, all those who are in Alan's side, you all can come towards the left side. The team that has got it right is this side! Yes. Let's go next, guys. Okay, next. ये क्या सबका हिंदी इंग्लिश बोल ABCD बोल बेटी हो. Okay, let's go. Next word, 1, 2, 3. No. I'm showing like this. Hey, no opening mouth. No, don't mouth the words. Okay. Don't mouth the words, okay? 1, 2, 3, let's go!
Hey!
Yes, yes. The winner, the first, actually, she already said it. Her voice was very low. We couldn't hear it. No, she said it. She said it first. No. She said it. Okay, so it's 2-1, 2-1. Let's go. Next. 1, 2, 3. The next word is.
Flying kiss.
Okay, it is 2-all. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
गाड़ी वाला आया घर से
The first person to say was the groom, so Alan. You were right, but he said it first. Okay, it is 3-2, 3-2. 1, 2, 3. Let's go next. Okay. I'll give this point, not this side, because he came and apparently is telling in your ears. I'm standing here. Itana to don't cheat. Let's go. Quickly. Hey, no telling. Okay, we'll give this one for 2 points. 2 points. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. बोल दिया. Okay, so that is 6-all. We're gonna go for 2 points next. 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
You are not showing this side. You are showing that side.
Let's go to second last one. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Last one. 1, 2. Okay, both are like almost same hai. Dono same hai. 8. Let's go for 2 points. Last hai. 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
I love you.
Okay, guys, a little back. I agree with you all. The winner is Alan! Two, 3, Alan Pilada here. Yeah, come on, you guys make some noise. Amazing. Give it up for our bridal couple, ladies and gentlemen. Alan. Let's go to our next one. Ladies and gentlemen, the next performance is now going to come from our groom side. We started this evening where Richa's friends did come here and threw out some fiery performances. अब ऐसी लावा वाले मंजिल पे थोड़ा और पेट्रोल छिड़कने और अपने डांस के अंगार को आग लगाने के लिए आ रहे हैं from our brother Alan's team and friends. Let's make some noise for Alan's friends, everybody!
नमस्ते बहनों और भाइयों, बड़े ही कम शब्दों में आपको सुनाना चाहता हूँ उस साल का लोकप्रिय गीत ये है।
इश्क वालों से न पूछो कि उनकी रात काला तन्हा कैसे गुजरता है जुदा हो हम सफर जिसका वो उसको याद करता है न हो जिसका कोई वो मिलने की फरियाद करता है सलामी इश्क मेरी जान जरा कबूल कर लो सलामी इश्क मेरी जान जरा कबूल कर लो तुम हमसे प्यार करने की जरा सी भूल कर लो मेरा
साथी रे तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना ओ साथी रे तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना फूलों में गलियों में सपनों की गलियों में फूलों में गलियों में सपनों की गलियों में तेरे बिना कुछ कहीं ना तेरे बिना भी क्या जीना हमको तुमसे प्यार है जिया बेकरार है आजा मेरी बुलबुल तेरा इंतजार है हमको तुझसे प्यार है जिया बेकरार है आजा मेरी बुलबुल तेरा इंतजार है पहला नशा पहला खुमार नया प्यार है नया इंतजार कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाथ ऐ दिले बेकरार मेरे दिले बेकरार तू ही बता पहला नशा पहला खुमार
वो मेरी नींद मेरा चैन मुझे लौटा दो वो मेरी नींद मेरा चैन मुझे लौटा दो वो मेरा प्यार मेरा दर्द मुझे लौटा दो नींद जितनी भी मैंने खोई है चैन जितना भी मैंने खोया है वो मेरी नींद मेरा चैन मुझे लौटा दो वो मेरा प्यार मेरा दर्द मुझे लौटा दो
लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए सवेरा जब हुआ तो फूल बन गए जो रात आई तो सितारे बन गए लिखे जो खत तुझे
ये किसकी है आहट ये किसका है साया हुए दिल में दस्तक यहाँ कौन आया हम पे ये किसने हरा रंग डाला हम पे ये किसने हरा रंग डाला खुशी ने हमारे मार डाला मार डाला मार
This is Nikhil this side. That was wonderful. This was want everyone to tell you this was just few days back we thought of doing this because I got my ACL tear and Uday just came last night like in the morning 7 a.m. in the morning. Thank you so much.
Let's give it up for the friends in the house, everybody! OMG, OMG. Guys, y'all have done such a fantastic job. Wait, Anand, wait. Friends also, wait. Y'all have done such a fantastic job. I feel one moment with the brother also should happen on her. Yeah. Yes, one moment with brother. I will give a song very similar. I'll give a song very similar to the style of dancing that you all were doing. So we'll just go with that. Yeah, buddy. Play. Down, hey! Yes, come on! Everyone down! Let's go! People boy! No. Alan, too good. But it doesn't work only. Nora Fateh was not the only one dancing. There were background dancers as well. All the boys have to go with our brother, yeah? All the boys. I leave it to the girls also. I would love if you all can go. I leave it to you, Ranzi, my brother. 3, 2, 1, with the beat! All the boys, come on! Come on, everyone! We say, hey, down. Listen! Go ahead and be back! क्या बात है, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our amazing brothers in the house up here, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, with this, we're gonna go next and move ahead to our next performance. And this performance was actually not on the list, but it has just come to me at the very end moment. So I do not have much more details to add to it, but I'll let you enjoy the next coming performance. And let me tell you, Richard, this one is especially for you, because it comes from a really close friend of yours. So nothing more.
तो कौन हंसेगा, तू जो छूटा तो कौन रहेगा, तू चुप है तो ये डर लगता है, अपना मुझको अब कौन कहेगा, तू ही वजह तेरे बिना बेवजह
With our ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our beautiful and gentlemen, Annie in the house! Kya baat hai. A beautiful performance, Annie. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, the night is going crazy. And I literally enjoyed the small spat of game that we between Alan and Richa. So I'm coming here with a game number 2. Okay, the game is pretty simple. You don't have to get up from anywhere. I will just call you all randomly. Okay, I will give you all a chance. So you can select one member from each side. They will come and play a small, simple game of battle. Okay, so we need 3 people from your side and 3 people from your side. You can take their names. It's a very simple game. Okay, so let's go with a first person you would like to nominate for this game, Richa. First person. Joel. Where is Joel? Joel. Remember, if they lose, the forfeit goes to you all. Huh? So make sure you're giving. Yes. Joel, if we can please have you on top. Okay. Along with Joel, who would you like, brother, from your friends to match up with Joel? Bittu. Okay. Can you have Bittu here? Joel versus Bittu. That's gonna be our first round, huh? Nice. Hey, no kusti and all. No kusti. Okay. See, the game is pretty simple. I have a set of tokens in my hand. You're representing Alan, you're representing Richa. You have to try without looking, just try and pick up the highest number possible. Okay? Whoever picks up the highest number, that team gets 1 point. Pretty simple, we're gonna play best of 3. Okay, so best of 1, the first round you're gonna play. For second round, you can make a choice who you all want next, okay? No seeing. I'll go with you. Okay, you just put your hand and pick up one card, one number, yeah. Yes. Okay, you can look at it, don't say anything. Brother, don't look other side. Ouch. Okay, it's okay. Just quickly. Okay, we'll just try to put all this inside. If you could just show me your number. Don't say it out loud, just show it. Okay, amazing one. And what, you can show it? I can't see you. Just okay, lovely. My brother here has removed 64 to beat him up with 64. Alan's side said we have come with number 80. That wins. We can have that. Round 1 definitely goes to the team Groom this time. Okay, let's go to our round 2. And for round 2, this time I'll ask you first. Who would you like to call from your side for the round 2?
Nikhil,
my brother. Yes, where is Nikhil? Nikhil, if I could please have you. And Richa, who would you like to nominate from your side? Yes. Mini, please. Like, it's gonna be Nikhil versus Mini Ammai. Yeah, okay. Since team Groom is currently on lead, I will ask Nikhil to pick up a number first. Nikhil, do not look that side, no brother. And you can just pick up, just pick up any one number. Keep it with you. Little woman might look that side, no, that side. Just put your hand inside and you can pick up one number, yeah. You pick up one, huh? Okay, can you show me your number, my friend? Can you show me your number? Oof, what a one. And what are you with? So, this time we have a very wonderful game. We have Minamai with 72 and Team Groom with only 5 points. So that means in the best of 3 we are 1-all. And to get it even more interesting, I would like our team Groom and Bride actually. Yes, you can. Who would you like to nominate for this one now? Last one, it's 1-on-1. George. George baby, okay. Acha, Bapan. Okay, I'll just call George. I'll keep it simple for me. George, if I could please have you. And Alan, what do you say? Who would you like to give up?
Jonu.
Jonu. Okay, can I have Jonu here? Jonu, where are you? We're gonna have it George versus Jonu. The last one. It's 1-all both this side. George and Jonu, yeah. Are they eating food or what? Yeah, come.
Go, baby! Let's go, baby, let's go!
This is George. Jonu, right, John. And George is here, okay. Amazing. So this is just answers. You have to pick up the highest number possible. Because if you win, you make the team Bride win, okay? Yeah, okay. First we'll go to this side. Baby, don't look that side, and just pick up one number. Look there and pick up. Close your eyes and pick up. Close your eyes and pick up, yeah. Pick up one number. Keep it. No seeing. You have to look that side. Pick up, and pick up. Without seeing. Okay, it's okay. You keep that only in your hand. We'll let that be. You tell me what's the number. Okay, that's a close one. So you're currently representing Team Groom and you are representing Team Bride. And whoa, what a close call is this? Team Bride, right? Oh, my bad, sorry. Team Bride and Team Groom. Okay, Team Bride has removed a very low number of number 10 only. Okay, and to beat that, our team this side has come up with number 2. Which means the winner of this one is Team Bride! Which means, Richa, you get the chance to take the whole Badla out here right now with from Alan. Yeah? Yes. Pilao him the way he was putting us. Cut. Do the same thing. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make some noise for Alan. Perfecto. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for our bridal couple here, everybody, yes? Okay, be because before our last performance, we have just one last performance left. But I see all these beautiful people enjoying all the dance performance from their plays. I want to do something crazier with them. If I could, Baba, come here. I'll ask you two things. Can you get those 2 golden ribbons? Yes, for our bridal couple, yeah. One for Alan and one for Richa. Yes. Rumu. Just remove it from the top also, chalega. Rumu one for Rumu. To all my other people up here, you see the lovely chair you all are sitting on. On those chairs, there are these golden ribbons. I want everyone to pluck out the ribbons. Yeah, Rumu the ribbons for yourself. Yeah, on the chair that you all are sitting. Yeah, I'll give one to you. Just hold it. I'll tell you. Everyone, just remove the ribbons. Remove the ribbons up here. Yeah. Yes. Perfecto. Okay. Now to everyone in the house, just try and put the ribbons in the air like this, so I can see all yellow colors in the air. Yeah. Everyone, yeah. But no, yeah, ऐसा बैठ के मजा नहीं आ रहा. थोड़ा खड़े होके. Everyone stand up. Everyone stand up and turn the cloths around, huh? Turn the cloths around in the air, yeah? We're gonna take everyone on a helicopter ride this time with a crazy track, and all you gotta do is spin this cloth as with all the energy you got. DJ Rancy, my boy, let's play the beat. Just follow me. You can just hear this say, Aram se. To this side, to this cross. Take a spin. When I say 1, 2, 3, ready, jump. When I say 1, 2, 3, ready, jump. When I say 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Hey, no. Ranchi, pause. मजा नहीं आ रहा. एक काम करते. Everyone who celebrate their birthday from Jan to December, stand on the chair. Everyone who celebrate their birthdays from Jan to December, stand on the chair. If you can't stand, if you can't, chalega, no stress there. Everyone! Mettez en l'air. When I say 1, 2, 3.